How to create an external link. I do want to mention before we get started, there are several different types of links. Internal links, which are links that lead to web pages within the Lane website. External links, which is what we're going to be working on in this video. Those are links that link to a web page outside of Lane. An example would be of an external web link would be to Yahoo, so you would go to yahoo.com. An example of an internal link, an in-house link, if you want to think of it that way, would start out with a web address of lanecc.edu/your department or division and /webpage and so on. In this video we're looking at external links, but if you need information on internal linking, email linking, or anchor linking, please check the Drupal help section, and there are tutorials, written tutorials and video tutorials on all of those subjects. There's also a little bit of a very short blurb on ADA, American Disabilities Act guidelines for creating links, and if you take a look at that, that'd be greatly appreciated. So let's go ahead and create an external link. I have gone to my web page that I want to add the link to. I'm going to go up and choose the Edit tab. And I'll scroll down here so you can see everything. And I'm going to scroll down to the text. Oops, a little too far. I'm going to scroll down to the text that I want to have as my text for my link. Now, your text for your link is different than the actual web address. Your text needs to be thoughtful. You need to really think about this before you put in the text. An example that I'll give you is one that I'm giving in all of our tutorials here for linking, but is that if you were to say, for information on career and technical program choices, and then just put a click here, down here where it has career and technical choices, people would not have any idea what the click here was for if they were hearing this information through a screen reader. So for the Disabilities Act or Disability Guideline, what we like to follow is to have meaningful naming links on naming conventions on all of your links. So on this particular one, I've highlighted what I want to have as my link text. It's the information above gives a little bit of an idea of what's on this page. It says for information on salaries in the graphic design industry, and then the link will be the AIGA Acquaint Survey of Design Salaries 2011. So that's gives a person a very good idea of what would happen if they click on this link. So I've highlighted the text that I want to become the external link. I'll come up here to the linking icon, which is here. Again, it says link it. Now the other icons here are for anchor linking and for unlinking. And I'm going to go ahead and click on my link. And I could search for the content if I was looking for something within Lane. That's just for within Lane. I can open a file browser too if I want to go that route to look for something. But those are when you're looking for something inside of Lane. What I want to do here is I need to copy and paste the web address or type in the web address of the page that I would like to go to. Now, one thing you need to do is be sure that you type it in correctly. Better yet, find the web page that you would like to go to. So here's the web page on this survey of salaries, and then copy that web address, the URL, and then come back to your Drupal page and paste that in. Much better way to go, then there's no room for error there. I say insert link. I can look down, I can see that has been inserted. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down and save it and test. Always test those links to make sure they're working correctly. And one thing you'll notice on this link, you'll see this little box with the arrow leading out. That means it's an external link. It's going outside of Lane's website. Here it's an internal link, and there is no little icon there. Let's go ahead and click on this to make sure that we have it working correctly, and there's the new web page. That's all there is to it.